Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technical Side in here in today's video. So today I'm gonna show you how to install Google Chrome on your Kali Linux. Now you can get it in some easy steps. Just follow me, guys. First, open terminal. Run this command sudo apt update. Yes. Enter your password. You can get these commands from description. Check them out. Now hit enter. Right, it's downloading. Just give it some time. Okay, Google Chrome is downloaded. Now let's install this package we have downloaded now. So I'm just gonna pass this command. You can find this command also in the description. Just don't worry about those errors in the red. That's because I did not run the command with sudo. Right now we will have to install Google Chrome package. Let's run sudo. I will pass the command. So hit enter. Now it's installing. Give it some seconds up to your PC. So don't worry about those errors in here. It does not affect anything. Alright, so let's check if Google Chrome has installed or not. So let's open up Google Chrome and try if it's working or not. Okay, here's Google Chrome. Can't have anything else here. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos like this and tutorials. So see you later, guys. Bye.